BRABUS 900 Rocket R Mean Green is a stunning transformation of the Porsche 911 Turbo S Coupé, now brought to life with remarkable power, an exclusive body kit, and the unforgettable Mean Green paint job. This limited edition supercar is tailored for high-performance enthusiasts who crave something both unique and undeniably powerful. Under the hood, this beast sports a 3.8-liter flat-six engine with twin BRABUS high-performance turbochargers, pushing it to an incredible 900 horsepower. The torque stands at a substantial 1,000 Newton-meters at 4,000 revolutions per minute, making acceleration a thrilling experience. The BRABUS 900 Rocket R achieves 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.5 seconds, and its top speed is electronically capped at 340 kilometers per hour, balancing performance with control. The exterior's carbon fiber details are not just for show, they add a dynamic edge to its design. The car is decked out in a complete mean green color scheme, with carbon fiber parts accenting its sleek aerodynamic lines. BRABUS's Widestar body kit introduces bold additions like a carbon fiber front bumper, side skirts, and a sporty rear diffuser. The car's aggressive look is rounded off by 21-inch BRABUS monoblock wheels with custom carbon fiber aero discs, also in mean green. Inside, BRABUS has crafted a luxurious, one-of-a-kind cockpit featuring Alcantara leather in vibrant green. The cabin is outfitted with BRABUS's signature ellipse quilting, and high-gloss green carbon details add an extra flair. Comfort meets performance with ventilated seating, precision stitching, and BRABUS-branded pedals. With production limited, the BRABUS 900 Rocket R Mean Green is more than just a car. It is a collector's dream and a powerful statement on wheels. Designed for those who seek unmatched performance and an unforgettable look, this car is ready to stand out in any crowd.